Hi there, and welcome to MIC Institute of Technology. If you're thinking about building real skills and getting hands-on training, you're in the right place. In this quick video, you'll see how easy it is to complete your online application. Before you get started, make sure you have a few things nearby: your birth certificate, a valid ID or passport, and any other educational certificates you want included. You'll also need a working email address and contact number so we can keep in touch. Alright, let's get started. First up, personal information. Enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on your official documents. Then, fill in your date of birth, gender, ID details, and nationality. Once everything looks good, click Next. Moving on to contact information. Here you'll enter your address, phone number, and email. Take a moment to double check your email address. It's important because we will send you updates there. You'll also need to have an emergency contact just in case. When you're done, click Next. Program selection. This is where you choose the course that you're interested in. Select your preferred training center and skill area. You also have to choose a second option, and this is just a backup in case your first choice isn't available. Take your time here and choose carefully. Then click Next. Moving on to educational background. Enter your CSEC or other results, including subjects and grades. Make sure everything you enter matches your certificates. When you're finished, click Next. Work experience. If you've worked before and it relates to your program, add those details here. If not, no worries, you can skip this section. Medical information. Answer these questions honestly. It helps us understand if you might need any support during your training. Finally, where did you learn about MIC-IT? Select from the drop-down menu where you would have heard about our programs and courses. This lets us know the best ways we reach you. Before you submit, take a minute to review everything. Once you're happy, go ahead and submit your application. After that, keep an eye on your email, including your spam or junk folder for updates. And that's it. Thanks for choosing MIC Institute of Technology. We're looking forward to having you take the next step in your technical vocational education and training journey.